First, if you care about the environment, the chances are you recycle your waste, either by taking it to a recycling depot or putting it out on the street for pickup. But have you ever wondered where it goes from there? In this instance, when the lorry arrives, the recyclables go through their first sorting, with paper and boxes in one receptacle and glass, plastics and metals in the other. At the sorting plant, the truck dumps each receptacle into a separate area, which a conveyor then transports for more sorting. On the paper and boxes line, workers first remove any plastics, metal or glass, then sort what's left into 3 categories. First, corrugated cardboard, what brown boxes are made of. Second, newsprint, and third, mixed fibre paper, such as cereal boxes, envelopes and greeting cards. On the glass, metal and plastics conveyor belt, workers first remove the big bulky items. A jumbo magnet picks up metal pieces, except for aluminium, which isn't magnetic. Workers then sort milk and juice cartons to one area, aluminium to another. They separate plastics into 3 categories, and the glass into 2, clear and coloured. Once everything's been separated, each category goes into a baler, which compacts it, then binds it with wire. Then it's off to the warehouse, where they're sold to a recycler. At the recycling plant, they cut open the bales of plastic, then load everything onto the conveyor belt. The plastics pass through magnets to remove any metal that might have slipped through. Then it's into the shredder, which takes just 1 hour to shred 2 tons of plastic. All those containers have now been transformed into these tiny plastic flakes. Next up is cleaning by friction and water. Any remaining glass or other contaminants sink to the bottom, while the lighter plastic flakes float to the top. The dirty water will be chemically filtered and reused. The flakes are hot air dried, then put into silos to be compacted. Inside the compactor, it's 160 degrees Celsius. The heat partially melts the plastic, fusing the pieces as they compact. The flakes go through the compactor's perforated inner drum, much like a pasta press, and come out resembling macaroni. This is now officially recycled plastic in raw material form. Next, they're melted, pressed through a screen and cut into pellet form. They drop into water to cool, then it's off to the dryers. These pellets are then sold to plastic product manufacturers. But this recycling plant also produces moulded warehouse pallets. The mould goes in at 230 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. It takes just 2.5 minutes to mould a recycling box, helping to ensure a steady supply of the factory's raw materials. This is the way forward, because going back is not an option.